Good evening, students. Dr. Neeta Sharma of Shri Shankaracharya Mahavidyalaya, Junwani. My topic: Engaging with Educational Writing amid first semester, paper 4, unit 5. To start with, writing plays a critical role in the growth of your educational ideas, helping you both deepen your understandings about the complex events that takes place in schools and classrooms and share your observations and ideas with others. Writing in education classes serves a wide variety of specific purposes depending on the audience, the author's intentions, and the specific assignment at hand. As a result, there is no simple or singular approach to writing in education. For example, you may be asked to reflect on what you have learned from an experience or to apply your ideas to new situations, or you may be asked to create a case study of a specific student's behavior so that a team of concerned supporters can help him or her face a difficult situation. Whatever the assignment, your first step is to thoughtfully consider what you are being asked to do and then begin to gather your ideas, evidence, and experience. Once you have some ideas in mind, you will find it much easier to begin the actual writing task. So, benefits of educational writing. Two suggestions will make your life as an educational writer much more rewarding. First one, you might think that because you have spent much of your life up to now in school settings, this gives you special insight into what is going on. So, while you might start by remembering what happened to you as a student, you must work to change your perspective to that of the teacher who is responsible for the classroom environment. Secondly, all writing tasks in your educational program require a significant amount of thought and effort. Don't wait to begin your assignment until you have time to write. Start right away thinking about the ideas and problems you are considering. Talk with your classmates and those professionals you come in contact with about your ideas and listen to their carefully. Key elements of educational writing. A number of areas of importance in all academic and scholarly writings are formal style or register. Writing should not be casual but be in an appropriate formal register. Appropriate references. Generally speaking, the range and organization of references illustrate the author's awareness of the current state of knowledge in the field. Typically, the expectation is that these references will be formatted in the relevant disciplinary citation system. Bibliography. Typically, this lists those articles read as background and will include the source of individual citations. Plagiarism. So, what are the types of educational writing? Reflective writing, pervasive writing, analytic writing, and procedural writing. So, reflective writing, it this writing represents the most common type of writing you will encounter. A reflective assignment will typically ask you to think back over events and ideas that you have encountered in your coursework and placements and then explore or explain those events or ideas. You should elaborate on a few critical ideas that inform your thinking. A reflective writing assignment usually asks for a brief description of the idea or event. What happened, an interpretation of that event, why do you think this happened, or what do you think it means, and an outcome. Reflective writing is more personal than most types of academic writing. In fact, the use of the first person pronoun I is encouraged. You will want to include your thoughts about your anxieties, fears, errors, and weaknesses along with your strength and success. Analytic writing. Analytic writing is more formal and structured than reflective writing. You make you may be asked to read, analyze, and respond to a research article or book about education theory or practice. You will need to clarify a thesis and then provide supporting arguments with evidence to back up your claims. To generate a powerful analysis, you should respond to the assignment text based on your experience or prior knowledge in combination with information from other sources. In some special situations, like writing case studies, you will analyze data you or others have collected and make recommendations for future actions. So, what is persuasive writing? This writing may be the most challenging type of writing in education courses. In a persuasive essay, you set out to convince the audience that your position, often contrary to a popular opinion, is reasonable and worthwhile. For example, you may be asked to write an op-ed piece about a film, documentary, news story, or educational policy decision that impacts schools and teachings. One essential early step is to identify your audience. Whom are you trying to persuade? A persuasive essay for the general public may look very different from an essay intended to convince fellow teachers about an issue. Persuasive writings works best when you know your audience and can anticipate how they might disagree with what you propose. This will enable you to provide convincing counter arguments that appeal to the hearts and minds of your readers. Procedural writing. This writing is most common encountered in advanced educational coursework in the form of lesson or unit plans. These plans require you to detail how will you proceed with your instruction, including the steps you intend to follow, what you expect your students to learn, and how you will know that they have met your expectations. Specific instructions for completing this writing task are usually provided and should be carefully considered before you start planning. So, steps to enhance educational writing, some of them are clear and accurate writing, exemplary sentence structure, constant stylistic approach of educational writing. So, here we come to the conclusion part. Educational writing is a method of expression that scientists use to figure out the intellectual boundaries of the procedures and their particular aspects of knowledge. The popular features of academic writing come with a formal tone, the application of the viewpoint of a third individual rather than the viewpoint associated with very first individual, and obvious concentrate on the research associated with the issue and also the precise selection of words. Thank you.